Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock the ultimate desktop processor power? I've got an amazing story to share with you about a game-changing CPU that's redefining what it means to be a powerhouse of performance. Let me introduce you to the AMD Ryzen 7 5700G. First off, this beast of a processor is capable of playing some of the most popular games at 1080p without even breaking a sweat. But here's the mind-blowing part. No graphics card is required. This means you can enjoy smooth gaming performance on your budget-friendly PC, all thanks to the Ryzen 7 5700G's powerful integrated Vega graphics. But what makes this processor tick? Well, let's talk about its impressive specs. With 8 cores and 16 processing threads, this CPU is a beast when it comes to handling multiple tasks simultaneously. And with the bundled AMD Wraith Stealth cooler, you can expect reliable cooling and zero noise, perfect for those late-night gaming sessions. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about overclocking? Well, let me tell you, the Ryzen 7 5700G is unlocked for maximum boost speeds of up to 4.6 GHz. That's right. With a little bit of tweaking and expertise, you can push this processor to new heights and squeeze out some serious performance gains. But here's the interesting part. What does it actually mean to have 16 processing threads? Simply put, it means your CPU can handle more tasks at the same time. Think of it like having multiple assistants working for you, each one handling a different task, so you don't have to. This is particularly useful when multitasking or running resource-intensive applications. Another feature that sets this processor apart is its massive 20 megabytes cache. That's right. We're talking about an enormous amount of memory storage. Think of it as your CPU's personal filing cabinet. With this much cache, you'll be able to store and retrieve data faster than ever before, making it perfect for tasks like video editing, 3D modeling, or even scientific simulations. And let's not forget about the Socket AM4 platform. This is where things get really interesting. It means that you can upgrade your CPU in the future without worrying about compatibility issues. Plus, with a maximum operating temperature of 95 degrees Celsius, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your processor won't overheat and shut down on you. Now that we've covered all the juicy specs, I want to leave you with one final thought. The AMD Ryzen 7 5700G is truly the ultimate desktop processor for anyone who wants enthusiast-class performance without breaking the bank. Trust me, after experiencing this power firsthand, you'll be hooked, and you might just find yourself upgrading your entire PC to take full advantage of it. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link below to get the best price on the AMD Ryzen 7 5700G.